Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are going to be doing a deep clean on the bathroom and the kitchen. They both really needed it, so I took some time out and dedicated one day just to making sure that I get both of these all the way clean. So to get started, I'm going to start in the kitchen, and as you can see, there is a huge mess. This was after our 4th of July festivities. We had done a lot of cooking and it was just a hot mess going on. There was food left out and things on the counters, but also just from the tracking inside and out, the floors were disgusting and really needed to be mopped and cleaned up really well. So I wanted to get started in there first. Now that I've got the dishwasher all unloaded, I do like to, when I'm cleaning out the dishwasher, just pull out this drain at the bottom that catches any food. I like to try and keep this clean so that it doesn't have any smells in the dishwasher. I've noticed that the more often I clean it, the cleaner my dishes come out. And there's not a smell in the dishwasher if I leave them sitting in there. As long as the dishes dry completely, I could leave them in there for a day or two if I have to, which I usually don't. I try not to because we do use our dishes pretty often, but I just really enjoy keeping this clean.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
So if you own an air fryer, I need some advice. We recently got an air fryer and I made wings in it, but the problem that I'm having when I'm making the wings is that they are sticking to like the grate that you cook them on, and it was okay pulling them off, like they were stuck on there. I was able to manage to get them off without completely ruining them, but cleaning the grates after is such hard work. I scrubbed them, I let them soak in the Dawn Power Spray, and I scrubbed them again, and I realized I still had a little bit of residue from them being stuck on. So let me know, how do you all clean this after, but also what are you using so that the wings don't stick to the grates, because it was a lot of work getting this clean, but also I just don't want to ruin them in the future when we're making wings.
Still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road choice and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
With the thoughts in your mind, they're everywhere, and it's hard for me to bear. Cause I get so lost, feel just like a boomerang. Cause you change your plans every day, and you don't seem to care what I think or how it affects me. Since I laid my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna.
So if you are new here, I'd like to take a moment just to introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I am a stay-at-home mom and a wife. I have 2 boys, a 6-year-old named Jackson and a 1-year-old named Lincoln. I love making cleaning videos. I also like doing home decor and organization videos. I enjoy posting. I usually post about twice a week, but I do love getting to know everyone. So please make sure you introduce yourself down in the comments. Let me know where you're from. I don't know if I said it already, but I'm from the South Florida area. But I'm so excited about the upcoming fall and winter season. Just decorating. I love to do like decor videos for like seasonal decor and holidays. So I'm really excited about that, and I hope you all will consider subscribing and make sure you turn on your bell notification so that you get notified when I post, especially now that we're going into the fall and holiday season. I'm going to be posting lots of videos. I like to decorate just about my whole house, but also if you like to do Christmas in July, I do have a Christmas video coming up very soon that I'm going to put out, and it's like a Christmas in July theme just to give you that Christmas spirit, but also to give you some ideas to get prepared for the upcoming Christmas season.
See me like I see you, my lady. I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love. Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed
time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I
So we live on a lake and there's a lot of sand closer to the lake. We have a lot of grass in our backyard, but there's like a lot of sand, and we were in and out of the house a lot for the 4th of July. So there was so much dirt tracked in the house, and being that everyone was going into the kitchen getting food, it was just so much mess and so much dirt that even after sweeping, I felt like the floor still wasn't clean. Like I could still kind of feel that dirt feeling. So I went back over it with my Dyson just to make sure I got up any loose particles of dirt that I wasn't able to get up with the broom before mopping. And I usually like to mop with my steam mop in the kitchen, especially if there's like stuck on food or anything stuck to the floor. It helps it come off really easy. But I wanted to go ahead and just use my O-Cedar spin mop just so I could use some more multi-surface cleaner just to make sure that I got the floor actually clean. I just felt like it was so dirty, so I was like, I'll just take my time and kind of scrape off anything that needs to be scraped off. But I just wanted to make sure that the floor was actually clean, especially with my 1-year-old walking around. And he drops a lot of things on the floor and picks them back up. Like if no one's looking, he'll definitely put it in his mouth. So I just wanted to take my time and make sure I got this floor really clean. And now that the kitchen is all nice and clean, we are going to go ahead and move into the bathroom and tackle the mess that we have going on in there.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Maybe when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Say cheese. Say baby. Say Jack. You say Jack. Say hi. 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 And now we are all finished in the bathroom. I've tackled all my chores for the day. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.